With AMC stock continuing to trade around that $4, $5, not $6 mark anymore, but between $4 and $5 per share, a lot of investors are left wondering, what happened over the last 2 weeks? What happened from those $9 price marks that we were about to receive and about to touch? Well, Adam Aaron happened, actually, guys. So I'm not going to dive too far into that. We will touch on it just briefly, but I came across a comment in one of the videos last night, and somebody was legitimately asking, okay, how can AMC Entertainment hit record revenue, yet the price goes down? What is going on here? Is it manipulation? Is it corruption? And I do want to address that because I don't think that it is manipulation. I don't think that it is corruption. I absolutely do think that it is a representation of the value of AMC. And we need to understand, if we are value investors in AMC, the stock is overpriced right now. It is too expensive. Its fundamental value is lower. If we are here for a price increase, not a price decrease, we need to have somewhat of a short squeeze take place or somewhat of a FOMO rally or a retail pump in order to see the price go up from where it's at. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. You're not going to get that at a bank. And this just in, Webull now dropped in the United Kingdom. So if you guys are from the UK and you want to use Webull as well, get an affiliate link down there where you can get some free stocks just for joining and signing up. And I think it's a $100 deposit in the UK, or £100, deposit in the UK. Let's discuss what's going on here, though. I want to go over some analyst estimates and some price targets, okay? And this is not to say that these analysts are shills. You guys have to remember the book value on AMC right now is negative $5 per share. Now, you get the book value by looking at the total assets, total liabilities, and total equity. Now, clearly, when liabilities exceed the amount of assets, which they do for AMC Entertainment, you have a negative book value. Your equity is worth less because your equity actually pays for the liabilities at that point, as opposed to being, I guess, in the black or above water, where AMC Entertainment is below water. It is sinking right now. It has billions of dollars more liabilities than it does assets. After the reverse split, think about that. AMC's book value is going to be negative $50 per share. That's insane, man. Oh my gosh. Anyway, the average price target for AMC Entertainment is $2.16. That's not because these people hate AMC. That's not because they're paid by the short sellers. That's not because they've been bought out by mainstream media. That's because if you look at AMC's fundamentals, if you look at its revenue growth, if you look at what it's doing, if you look at its current and long-term liabilities, analysts are assigning a $2.16 price target. Now, the high analyst has a price target of $4.50. He's very optimistic that AMC is roughly trading around where it should be, and the lowest forecast is around 50 cents. Now, if we're just going based on the current balance sheet, yeah, I'm going to go 50 cents. I'm going to go even lower than that. I'm going to go negative $5 a share, because if AMC runs into any trouble whatsoever, its liabilities do exceed its assets, and it's got a negative net worth. That's the same thing as if you guys go out there and, your house is worth $200,000 and you owe $300,000 on it. Bad situation, right? No different for AMC right now. So a lot of retail investors have been duped. They've been tricked. And yes, so a lot of these YouTubers and tweeters out there are to blame for it, making you believe that AMC needs to have a value increase, making you believe that we need to foot the bill to pay the debt down of AMC, that we need to make sure that we allow this reverse split conversion dilution to go through so AMC can increase its fundamentals and so on. I'm going to let you guys in on a secret. When AMC was thriving in 2019, it wasn't debt-free. In fact, it had more debt on its books than it ever had in history. Adam Aron is gunning for your money, though. That is why so many people are pushing this idea that we need to give that man dilutive shares so that he can go out and raise money for himself and raise money for AMC. If AMC were to trade at its current value, it would lose price. It would go down and you would lose money. Now, something much more speculative took place in 2021, and that was a short squeeze, right? People were buying into AMC in hopes that we could squeeze money out of the hedge funds, that they would be required to close their shares, and they would be required to pay us higher and higher and higher prices. Well, the short interest on AMC is actually better than it has ever been before. Statistically speaking, in looking at the actual numbers, AMC is in a better position right now than it has ever been in to squeeze. It is in a position to squeeze higher than it ever was before. Here's what we lack, though. Retail investor commitment. People were lost along the way. A lot of people out on YouTube and Twitter, and Adam Aron himself, like I say, duped, tricked, deceived, whatever synonym you want to throw in there, retail investors into believing that this was about AMC. It is never and will never be about AMC. It is about driving the price higher. Now, knowing that, if the retail investor base was to get as committed as they once were, as the hype were to drive back higher like it did in 2021, I would be very excited about it. But it's not a commitment to making AMC better. It's a commitment to squeezing hedge funds and the short shares that they own out there. That must return. So if you want to see AMC's stock price increase, it has to be on speculation from this point. If you want to see AMC's stock price decrease, believe Adam Aron and believe everybody telling you that this is about creating value for AMC. It's about increasing fundamentals. It's about driving debt down and making sure AMC has a long-term future. It is as simple as that. So I hope that this answers the question, how can AMC be doing better now than they ever have in history, yet the stock price goes down? Because when you're looking at value, we are already drastically overvalued, overpriced. If we want to look at the value of AMC, you're admitting defeat in share price. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Are you here to increase the value of AMC, or are you here to watch the stock price increase in AMC? I'm here to watch the stock price. I don't know about you guys. Let us know. If that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Read Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.